My name's Daniel. I'm making a video every day until Cleetus invites you to the Freedom Factory. On this episode, we're going to work on the V8 go-kart, and we're going to go to the Truck Nationals and see if we can get some cheap parts for this thing. We're back from the Truck Nationals. We got a little wet, a thunderstorm rolled through, some of the vendors left, but we were still able to get a creeper for $10, which I've been looking for a while. And more importantly to this build, I got this adjustable thermostat housing, which rotates 360, and that should make this upper radiator hose a breeze. Whee! So it looks like the creeper works pretty well. I'll hang that up somewhere. I don't have much room. Anyway, we'll figure that out later. I also went to the store and got a little bit more metal. I got 2 thicker bars, and then I got a few more of those thin bars because they surprised me a lot on this radiator install. They're actually pretty strong, so I got a few of those just so I had a little bit something else for other places. I think, well, let's mess with the thermostat a tiny bit, but I think I'm gonna need Allen head bolts, and I don't have those, so I might have to grab those tomorrow. But I'd like to at least sit everything on there and see how it's going to work. I'm pretty excited about that. I've got the upper radiator hose on. I didn't need Allen keys or Allen bolts. I actually would just use washers with big bolts, and it worked out just fine. And then our hose runs over here like that. So I think that actually looks pretty decent. I don't think it could look too much better than that. So I'm pretty satisfied with the way that turned out. Like usual, we fixed one problem and now we've created another. So the spring for the throttle return used to go to a thing hanging off the thermostat that was built into it. And now that doesn't exist. So we either need to make something to go here or hang way over to here to hold that spring. I would like to get another spring, I just haven't come across a good one yet. It's always a good rule of thumb to have 2 springs on there, just in case one of them fails, you have another one. It's like a fail-safe. So here's what I'm thinking for that throttle return spring. I have this guy right here. I think he's from a lift kit. Sometimes they give these things and you shove them in the frame to be able to get to some nut that you can't otherwise really reach. And I just saved it. I thought it could be useful for something, but I think it's almost the mount we need. Come check it out. So if we cut the nut part off, the socket part, whatever you want to call that, the opening part, if we cut that off, it's got almost the same angle as this, and then it stands up pretty much where we need it, and it's already got a hole in it. We might have to just cut it a little bit shorter because it doesn't need to be quite this long. And then obviously we got to drill a hole there for the bolt, but I think it's like halfway made. So we're gonna run with this. I feel like it's thick, but not too thick. I think it's gonna be just perfect. And it's a great way to use some old piece of crap that I have laying around. Look at that. Can't even tell that used to be like kind of a wrench. Looks pretty good. I'm actually gonna squirt some paint on it because I like it so much. I painted it the same color as the manifold. It just kind of blends in and works out great. So in this lower radiator hose, I need to go from here to over there where the universal hose ends up. I think we're going to use a piece of black pipe and then a 90-degree coupler here. I'm either going to have to order that off Amazon, the coupler thing, or I might be able to find a factory hose that has a 90-degree. I have the perfect one, but it's 1.5 inches and it doesn't fit. This is 1.75 inches. So I got to figure that one out still or order something, but that should be pretty simple to do, and that'll get the bottom connected. So that's all we have time for tonight. The upper radiator hose is dialed. That thing is locked in and awesome. The lower radiator hose is going to be pretty easy to complete. I just got to figure out when and where I'm going to get those parts. If I'm able to get them locally, we might be able to complete that pretty soon here, maybe tomorrow. If not, it might be a couple days later. But we're really close. That should be pretty easy at the bottom. And that's one more thing we can cross off the list. I'm going to hop on to strengthen this frame next because it seems like something I can just dive right in and start doing. And then we can figure out the rest of the stuff as we go day by day, because I'm making a video every single day. So tune in tomorrow and you'll see another video on this go-kart.